Most BMW owners think engine longevity comes down to luck, or how much money you're willing to hand the dealership every year. It doesn't. The BMWs that make it past 200,000 miles without a transmission rebuild or a cooling system failure almost always have one thing in common. Their owners spent $15 to $60 on the right products instead of waiting for a $5,000 repair bill to teach them a lesson. A transmission rebuild on a ZF 8-speed can run you upwards of $6,000 once you factor in labor. A cooling system failure that cooks a cylinder head can climb even higher. Meanwhile, the products that actually prevent those failures cost less combined than a single oil change at the dealership. That gap between what prevention costs and what neglect costs is the entire reason this channel exists. Today, I'm going to show you 5 cheap products, none of them over $60, that will do more for your BMW's long-term health than any dealership service package. These aren't gimmicks, and I'm not selling you any of them directly. Let's get into it.
Product 1. A BMW specific scanner that finds problems before the warning light. Foxwell NT530.
The single biggest reason BMW repair bills spiral out of control is that problems get caught late. By the time your check engine light triggers a limp mode or your transmission starts shuddering, you're already looking at a repair that could have been a $50 fix 6 months earlier. Product number 1. A BMW-specific scanner that finds problems before the warning light. Foxwell NT530. This is where a proper BMW-specific scanner earns its keep. The Foxwell NT530 isn't a generic code reader you'd use on a Honda. It talks to BMW-specific modules, your transmission control unit, your DME, your body control modules, the systems a basic auto parts store scanner can't even see. It reads live data, not just stored codes, so you can catch a fuel trim drifting out of range or a transmission adaptation resetting before it ever throws a check engine light. The dealership charges upwards of $150 just to plug in and diagnose. This tool costs a fraction of that one visit and pays for itself the first time it catches something early. This is the difference between fixing a $200 sensor and replacing a $4,000 transmission. There's also a benefit people underestimate. When you can pull your own codes and watch live data, you stop being at the mercy of whatever a service writer tells you. On the ZF 8-speed specifically, the transmission continuously learns and stores shift timing based on driving style and wear. When those values drift outside a normal range, you'll often see it in live data as slightly delayed or slightly harsh shifts, weeks before it becomes a $5,000 problem. It also changes how you approach every other item on this list. A scanner is what lets you verify that your transmission fluid service actually reset the adaptation values correctly, that your cooling system isn't showing early signs of an air pocket after a coolant top-off, and that your battery replacement was registered so the charging system adjusts properly. Every other product on this list works better when you have visibility into what your BMW's computers are actually seeing. Product number 2. ZF LifeGuard Fluid 8 Transmission Fluid. This is the one that saves the most transmissions, and it's also the one most owners get completely wrong. BMW, for years, told owners that the ZF 8-speed automatic transmission was filled for life and never needed a fluid change. That claim has been walked back repeatedly, and any transmission specialist who works on these cars will tell you the same thing. Fluid breaks down, and when it does, your shifts get harder, your adaptation values drift, and eventually, you're looking at a transmission that either needs a rebuild or a full replacement. ZF LifeGuard Fluid 8 is the correct factory-spec fluid for these transmissions, not a generic ATF, not whatever's cheapest on the shelf. Using the wrong fluid in a ZF 8-speed can cause harsh shifting and premature clutch pack wear, because these transmissions are calibrated around the specific viscosity and friction properties of this fluid. A transmission fluid and filter service using the correct ZF fluid runs somewhere between $200 and $400, depending on labor rates in your area. A transmission rebuild or replacement runs anywhere from $4,000 to $8,000. This is the highest return on investment
maintenance item on this entire list. And it's the one skipped most often because owners were told, incorrectly, that it wasn't necessary. If you're buying a used BMW and the seller can't produce a record of a transmission service, assume it's never been done, regardless of mileage, and budget for it immediately. When you book this, ask specifically for ZF Lifeguard Fluid 8 by name or the direct BMW branded equivalent, and don't accept a generic substitute. If your commute is mostly short trips or stop-and-go traffic, that transmission is working harder than the average duty cycle assumes, which makes this service even more important, not less. The reason this gets skipped so often comes down to how the recommendation was originally communicated. Owners heard lifetime fluid and reasonably assumed that meant never. What BMW actually meant was the life of the transmission under specific, ideal conditions, not the life of the car under real-world driving. That distinction has cost a lot of owners a transmission they didn't need to lose. Quick note before we move on. Every fix and every interval I'm covering in this video, along with dozens more that I don't have time to get into here, is laid out start to finish in the complete BMW Longevity Bible. If you want the full roadmap instead of piecing it together video by video, it's linked in the description. Product number 3, a C-Tech battery maintainer. Modern BMWs are rolling computer networks. You've got dozens of control modules constantly drawing small amounts of power, even when the car is off. A weak or aging battery doesn't just leave you stranded, it causes a cascade of electrical gremlins. Modules that don't initialize correctly, adaptive values that get wiped, and in some cases, actual damage to control units that brown out during a low voltage event. A C-Tech maintainer is the cheapest insurance policy you can buy for your BMW's electrical system. If your car sits for more than a week at a time, this plugs in and keeps the battery at a proper float charge without overcharging it. And it has a reconditioning mode that can pull a marginal battery back from the edge instead of you replacing it prematurely. This matters even more if your BMW sits in a garage during the week while you take a second car to work, which describes a huge number of owners in this audience. A car that only gets driven on weekends never gets enough continuous charging time to fully replenish what accessories and parasitic draw pull down during the week. Without a maintainer, that slow discharge repeats every week, and over a year or two, it measurably shortens the life of an otherwise healthy battery, along with every module it puts through repeated brownout cycles. There's a registration piece worth mentioning here too. BMW's charging system tracks the age and condition of the battery through a sensor built into the negative terminal, and it adjusts alternator output accordingly. A battery that's degrading but hasn't been properly registered as replaced can cause the charging system to work outside its intended parameters, which shortens the life of the alternator as well. A $40 maintainer, paired with correctly registering any battery replacement, protects two expensive components for the price of one cheap habit. Product number 4, genuine BMW coolant and a leak detection die kit. Cooling system failures are one of the most feared repairs among long-term BMW owners, and for good reason. A slow coolant leak that goes unnoticed doesn't just leave you stranded on the side of the road. It leads to overheating events that can crack a cylinder head or warp an engine block, turning a $200 hose repair into a repair bill that can total the car. The first mistake owners make is topping off with whatever coolant is on the shelf at the auto parts store. BMW's cooling systems are calibrated around a specific coolant formulation, and mixing an incompatible coolant can cause corrosion inside the system, damage to plastic components, and false readings on your temperature sensors. Always use genuine BMW coolant, or the exact equivalent specification, diluted correctly with distilled water, never tap water, which carries minerals that accelerate scale buildup. The second piece is a simple UV leak detection die kit, which costs under $20.
BMW cooling systems are full of plastic connectors, expansion tanks, and hose fittings that degrade with age and heat cycling, and a slow leak at one of these points is often invisible to the naked eye until it's already lost enough volume to matter. Adding dye to your coolant and checking under a UV light during routine maintenance catches a failing connector or hose while it's still a $15 part, not after it's caused an overheating event. Here's why this matters more on a BMW than on most other cars. The plastic components in these cooling systems, the expansion tank, the thermostat housing, the water pump impeller on many engines, are engineered to a tight tolerance, and they age predictably around the 10 to 12-year mark, regardless of mileage. A leak rarely announces itself with a puddle under the car. More often, it's a slow weep that evaporates off a hot engine block before you ever see it on the garage floor. Which is exactly why a coolant level warning light is often the first and only sign. And by the time that light comes on, you may already be past the point of a cheap fix. A UV dye check takes less than 5 minutes during an oil change. Pop the hood, shine the light around the reservoir, the hose clamps, and the water pump area, and look for a faint yellow-green glow. If you catch a hairline crack in a plastic connector early, you're looking at a $20 part and 20 minutes of labor. Catch it late, after it's led to a low coolant level and an overheating event, and you're potentially looking at head gasket damage or a warped cylinder head, a repair that can run into the thousands and, on some engines, isn't even worth doing relative to the value of the car. Product number 5, Dielectric grease and electrical contact cleaner. This last one costs less than $10, and almost nobody thinks about it until they're already dealing with a problem. BMWs have an enormous number of electrical connectors exposed to heat, vibration, and moisture. Ground straps, sensor connectors, battery terminals, and module connectors tucked into engine bay corners that never fully dry out. Corrosion and oxidation on these connectors is one of the most common causes of intermittent electrical faults on these cars. You'll see it show up as random misfire codes that come and go, sensors that read correctly one day and erratically the next, or a ground strap connection that's slowly resisting current flow and causing a whole cascade of modules to throw unrelated codes. A small tube of dielectric grease on your battery terminals, ground straps, and accessible sensor connectors during routine maintenance prevents corrosion before it starts. It's cheap, it takes 10 minutes, and it eliminates an entire category of frustrating, hard-to-diagnose electrical problems. This is also the item most independent shops won't bother with unless you ask, because there's no billable code for it. 10 minutes with a $15 tube of grease, done once a year, is one of the best time investments on this entire list. The connectors most worth targeting are the ones you can reach without pulling anything apart. The main battery terminals, any visible ground straps between the engine and chassis, and the connectors on sensors mounted low in the engine bay where road spray collects. You're not trying to disassemble the wiring harness. A light coating on the metal contact points before you reconnect them is enough to displace moisture and stop oxidation from ever getting a foothold. And it's one of the few maintenance tasks on this list that genuinely can't be overdone. None of these 5 products cost more than $60. Combined, they cost less than a single dealership diagnostic visit. And yet, consistently, these are the exact items separating the BMWs that make it to 250,000 miles from the ones that don't make it past 120,000. Notice what all 5 of these have in common. None of them are exciting. None of them are the kind of upgrade you'd brag about at a car meet. They're boring, unglamorous, and cheap, which is exactly why they get overlooked by owners chasing bigger, flashier fixes. Longevity was never about the expensive stuff. It's about not skipping the cheap stuff. If you had to pick just one to start with today, I'd tell you to get the transmission fluid changed before anything else on this list. It's the single most commonly skipped service and the one with the highest cost of neglect. From there, the scanner and the coolant dye kit are the two that give you the earliest possible warning on the two.
Most expensive systems in the car, which makes them worth prioritizing right behind the fluid service. If you want the complete system, every interval, every product, every warning sign covered in this channel laid out in one place, so you're not hunting through videos trying to remember what applies to your specific engine, that's exactly what the complete BMW Longevity Bible is built for. It's linked in the description below. Which one of these 5 are you missing right now? Let me know in the comments. And if this saved you from a mistake you didn't know you were making, subscribe for more of these before it costs you thousands instead of dollars.